Now, as you can well see, the rain has moved out of central Texas here, but we are, of course, still keeping a close eye on our local rivers. Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin is joining us here again. And Nick, some of the rivers this time, after all that flooding, they were higher than they were last year when we saw that other historic flooding, and some were lower.
Yeah, and that's what makes it, in many ways, difficult to compare apples to oranges in this case.
Sure.
Heavier rain fell in some areas last July. Heavier rain this year fell in other areas. So the impact's not easy to compare, but we can look at our local rivers and give you some comparison at least. So I wanted to look first at the Llano River at Llano, its historical crests, and compare it to where we were here last Friday. You can see the highest the Llano River at Llano got was back in June of 1935, cresting at 41.5 feet. Last Friday, it got to less than half of that, 20.8 feet. Last July, the Llano River in Llano got to 27 feet. So it was higher last July than it was last Friday. Now looking at the Pedernales River at Fredericksburg, the highest it ever got was back in 1978, 41.5 feet or so. Last Thursday, it got to 34.2 feet. So the fourth highest crest on record for the Pedernales River. This was quite a bit higher than it was last July, which was significantly lower there than the 34 feet. Now we look at the Guadalupe River at Comfort. Highest it's ever been was in 1869 at 42 feet, but last Thursday it reached its third highest crest ever at 37 feet. And notice the fifth place crest there was July 4th of last year. So it was about 1.5 feet higher than it was of July 4th last year. I did look at the separate location of the Guadalupe River in Kerrville, which was 20 feet lower, its maximum crest this year than what it did last July, because the heavier rain last year fell higher upstream along the Guadalupe River than it did this time around. That's why the Kerrville location was way lower than last July, but why the Guadalupe River at Comfort was higher slightly than last year. All of this, of course, not all of it, but much of this has been working its way into our area lakes. Lake Travis peaked over the weekend, but as we've been mentioning, LCRA has been letting water out of Lake Travis through, at times, multiple floodgates at Mansfield Dam, now just down to one floodgate open. So Lake Travis is falling. 681 is considered full, so it's still above that, but they'll work it down to get closer to that 681 mark. Lake Buchanan rising slowly. It may not quite hit the 1020, which is perfectly full, but it rounds up to being 100% full right now. Now we've got a beautiful blue sky with sun from the Fairmont-Austin shot looking from downtown to the north-northeast. A lot of Texas is sunny now. We do still have some showers well out to the west of us. Those aren't going to impact us here locally. We're going to enjoy a nicer stretch of drier weather, and soon we'll be able to complain about the heat instead. Overnight into tomorrow morning, mostly clear skies. There may be some patches of low clouds in portions of Fayette County. Otherwise, mostly sunny through the day here tomorrow, if not completely sunny. Then we go into Wednesday. I expect a clear start to the day. A few clouds may try to bubble up during the afternoon, so we'll go with a mostly sunny day, but it should be another dry one. We'll get down to 74 here tonight, mostly clear. South wind, a fairly light one. Temperatures pretty seasonable for this time of year. In fact, we should be at 75, so a degree cooler tthan normal. We'll take that. But most of us very near average. Then looks to be our second triple-digit day of the year here in Austin for tomorrow. Southwest wind, plenty of sunshine, and 100 degrees. Not that unusual, clearly, though, for July. But for many of you, we're back in the triple digits tomorrow and a few degrees hotter than we were here today. We actually don't think it'll be the hottest day of the week even. That looks to be Wednesday, 102, and then we're back down to 100 on Thursday and 99 on Friday. Humidity is going to do some changes as well. It drops a little bit here Tuesday into Wednesday, and then it starts to climb again. So later in the week, we may actually start seeing some heat advisories coming in. We're also keeping an eye on what could be Tropical Storm Bertha as it nears Texas as we get toward the end of the week. Current indications are that the majority, if not all of the rain is going to be pushed to the southeast of central Texas thanks to high pressure overhead. So that's why we've got no rain chances on our 7-day. Certainly this is a challenging forecast because it's not been moving a whole lot, that tropical depression too. So keep checking in with us for changes there, but our forecast is fairly quiet as things stand for now. Triple digits and upper 90s with plenty of sun over the next 7 days.